Hello friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today our recipe is Tuna Tapioca Biryani. So let's get started. First we'll start with cutting our tapioca. So first we'll trim off the edges. Then we are going to start peeling off the skin. You can actually cut into small pieces and peel off the skin on a cutting board, or you can do it in this way. Our tapiocas are now clean. Now we'll start to cut it into small pieces. Our tapioca is now ready to be cooked. We'll boil this. Meanwhile, we'll make the masala for it. For that, we are using 1 cup of shredded coconut. To that, we'll add 5 pieces of shallot, 3 cloves garlic, chili according to your spice tolerance, then cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, turmeric half a teaspoon, then using curry leaves 1 stem. We'll pour some water and we'll blend it and keep it aside. Next we are going to do is the tuna. We are using here canned tunas. Even you can use the fresh one. It's just one fish bone. You can easily remove it and use the flesh. So we are taking here 3 canned tunas, which is about 400 grams. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. Now let me tell you why we are putting it in the strainer. We are just removing the oil which is in the canned tuna. We'll keep this for some time till the excess oil comes out. Well, our tapioca is now cooked. Some tapioca needs 10 to 15 minutes cooking time, some needs about 30 minutes, depends on the tapioca you get. Now you can see the excess oil that is being removed from the tuna. It's so much. Now we'll start preparing our biryani. For that we'll heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we'll add fenugreek seeds, about 1 teaspoon. Now add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. We'll saute this for a minute. Now we'll add 1 cup of small onion which is sliced, and we are going to saute it till it is golden. To this we'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek powder. Now we'll mix it all together really well. Next we are going to add 3 tomatoes sliced and we'll mix it. Now we'll close the lid and cook it till the tomato releases its water. Now we'll take our cooked tapioca and we are going to add the blended masala. We're not going to add it full, we'll keep a little bit masala extra. Then we'll add half a teaspoon of salt to it and we are going to smash this. Smash it really well. And there our tapioca is now ready. Now we'll open our lid. Our tomatoes are now cooked. Now we'll add our tuna. We are just going to cook it for 5 to 10 minutes because it's already pre-cooked. We will be cooking this in low flame. We'll mix it together really well. You can add salt if it is necessary. Just taste it before adding it. Now we'll start adding our tapioca. We'll mix it all together really well. Next we are going to add the little mixture which we have left out. We'll pour some water and we'll mix it and add it. We'll mix it really well. Then we'll close the lid and keep it to simmer for 5 minutes. Now to this we'll add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix it all together really well. We'll keep this to simmer again for about 5 minutes. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of ghee to it. And we'll mix it all together. It gives a nice flavor. Then we'll garnish it with coriander leaves. Well, our delicious tuna tapioca biryani is now ready to serve. We'll garnish it with some coriander leaves. We'll add a jalapeno on it, and there it is ready. Side it up with some pickles and papad and enjoy this. It's very quick and easy recipe and very tasty too. Do try it once. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications on time.